Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows cannot find your program and game or app that you want to uninstall in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to minimize this and go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this path used in my video. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. Under uninstall, you just need to find the name of the program, game or app that you want to uninstall. In my case, just need to scroll down and find in this list hard disk low level format tool. As you can see, hard disk low level format tool. After finding this folder, you just need to right click on it and select delete it. Select yes, and now go back to settings, and now it will automatically uninstall guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.